I'm deeply honored to stand before you, the elected representatives of a proud democracy and a friendly nation. I bring greetings from 1.4 billion people of India. I also bring warm wishes from the people of Ghana, the country I visited just before arriving here. I am humbled to be the first Indian Prime Minister to speak to you in this iconic Red House. This historic red building has seen struggles and sacrifices of the people of Trinidad and Tobago for freedom and dignity. Over the past 6 decades, it has stood strong as you built a just, inclusive, and prosperous democracy. Friends, the people of this great nation have chosen two remarkable women leaders, the President and the Prime Minister. They proudly call themselves daughter of the Indian diaspora. They take pride in their Indian heritage. In India, we admire their leadership, grit, and determination. They are living symbols of the relationship between our countries, built on shared roots and shared dreams. Distinguished members, both our nations rose from the shadows of colonial rule to write our own stories with courage as our ink and democracy as our pen. Today, both our nations stand as proud democracies and pillars of strength in the modern world. A couple of months ago, you celebrated the Festival of Democracy by participating in elections. I congratulate the people of this country for their wisdom and vision for peace, stability, and prosperity. I also congratulate the newly elected members of this august House. Special greetings to Prime Minister Kamalaji for forming the government once again. And I wish her continued success as she leads this great nation towards sustained growth and prosperity. Friends, when I look at the golden words of the Speaker's chair from the people of India to the people of Trinidad and Tobago, I feel a deep sense of emotion. That chair is not just a piece of furniture, but a powerful symbol of the friendship and trust between our two nations. The words expresses the bond that one democracy feels for another. आप सभी जानते हैं, भारतीयों के लिए डेमोक्रेसी सिर्फ एक पॉलिटिकल मॉडल भर नहीं है, हमारे लिए ये वे ऑफ लाइफ है, हमारी हजारों वर्षों की महान विरासत है। इस संसद में भी कई साथी ऐसे हैं जिनके पूर्वज बिहार से हैं। वो बिहार जो महाजनपदों यानी एंशिएंट रिपब्लिक्स की भूमि है। इन इंडिया, डेमोक्रेसी इज नॉट जस्ट अ पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम, फॉर अस it is a way of life. Your parliament also has some members whose forefathers were from the Indian state of Bihar, which is famous for centers like Vaishali. Friends, there is a natural warmth in the connection between our two countries. I must say, Indians are among the most passionate fans of the West Indies cricket team. We cheer for them with all our heart, except when they are playing against India. The relationship between our two countries is based on the foundation of centuries-old bonds. 180 years ago, the first Indians arrived on this land after a long and hard journey. Oceans away, the Indian beats blended beautifully with the Caribbean rhythm. Here, Bhojpuri found harmony with Creole. Dal pudi met doubles and tabla met the steel pan. Today, the people of Indian origin are proud bearers of the red, black and white flag. From politics to poetry, cricket to commerce, calypso to chutney, they contribute to every field. They are an integral part of the vibrant diversity that you all respect. Together, you have built a nation that lives its motto, together we aspire, together we achieve. Friends, earlier today, Her Excellency, the President, graciously conferred upon me this country's highest national award. I accept it with humility on behalf of 1.4 billion Indians. Now, with immense gratitude, I dedicate it to the enduring friendship and the ancestral ties between our two nations. Friends, I'm delighted to so many women members.
ट्रिनिडाद और टोबैगो की संसद से प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी को आप सुन रहे हैं। तमाम बड़ी बातें उनकी ओर से कही गई हैं। उस देश के साथ हिंदुस्तान को जोड़ते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी डेमोक्रेसी से मैं आया हूं, और इसके साथ ही जबरदस्त तरीके से उन्होंने तारीफ भी की है जिस तरह से महिला सशक्तिकरण का मुद्दा उठाए या वहां पर बड़े पोजीशन पर महिलाओं को जिस तरह से रखा गया है। बिहार के साथ भी वहां पर रिश्ता जोड़ा कि कैसे जो पूर्वज आपके हैं त्रिनिदाद में जितने भी लोग बैठे हुए थे वहां पर ज्यादातर लोग बिहार से ताल्लुक रखते हैं। ये बात भी उनकी ओर से बताई गई और बाकायदा बिहार के वैशाली का जिक्र किया गया लोकतंत्र के संदर्भ में। और